Hi guys, welcome to Autobrite. Today I'm going to show you our citrus wash all-purpose cleaner. So you may already be familiar with this product and you know that it can be used as a pre-wash type product on the exterior of the vehicle, but you can also use it on multiple places such as interiors, engine bays, door shuts, fuel caps, window rubbers, anywhere there's moss, mould and lichen build-up as well. So we're going to show you just a few of the places that citrus wash can be used. Citrus wash is perfect for breaking down and helping to lift tricky non-metallic contaminants such as bird lime, tree sap and bug splatter from your paintwork. When used as a pre-wash, citrus is suitable for applying to all exterior surfaces including unpainted plastics, rubbers and trims. Apply liberally to the vehicle and allow it to dwell for approximately 5 minutes. Dwell time is weather dependent, so just keep an eye on that, make sure it doesn't dry out before you then rinse from the bottom of the vehicle as shown for maximum effectiveness. Here we're showing the difference between a treated and a non-treated panel after rinsing. Citrus wash can also be applied using a pump or pressure sprayer. This allows for easier coverage of large areas, also allows you to get in some of those more intricate areas like wheel arch liners and under arches. Fuel fillers are another area that can be neglected, but citrus wash is perfect for these areas. Always use caution when cleaning these areas, especially if vehicles don't have removable caps, such as this vehicle. In this instance, pressure rinsing this area would not be advisable, hence why we are just wiping with a microfiber towel. Moss and algae buildup can be a real issue around window rubbers and seals when not cleaned regularly. This is especially bad during summer months when quick showers and sunny spells promote growth of both these things. Quick treatment with citrus wash will clean the dirt and grime from these areas, killing the moss and algae growths and preventing regrowth. When cleaning these areas, care should be taken to stay away from the paintwork as much as possible. Not just exterior products, citrus wash can also be used to clean interior surfaces, especially things like hard plastics, rubbers, pedals, etc. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that shows you the versatility of citrus wash and its uses in APC. So definitely a product that you don't want to be without in your detailing arsenal. Thanks for watching guys. Keep your eyes peeled for our next product information video. For more information, please visit our website or come and see us in store. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments what you would like to see in our next video.